Introduction to Enterprise Architecture. What is enterprise architecture? Enterprise architecture is a strategic framework that aligns an organization's business strategy, processes, information, and technology to achieve its goals. It provides a holistic view of the organization, enabling effective decision making, optimization of resources, and adaptation to changes in the business environment. What are the four domains of enterprise architecture? Business architecture defines the business strategy, governance, organization, and key business processes. It ensures that business operations align with strategic objectives. Information architecture focuses on managing data and information system, ensuring data is accessible, reliable, and secure. It includes data models, information flows, and data governance. Application architecture governs the design and deployment of software applications. It ensures that applications are aligned with the business goals, scalable, and integrate well with other systems. Technology architecture describes the IT infrastructure, including hardware, software, networks, and cloud systems. It defines the technical environment needed to support the other domains. What is the role enterprise architecture in business strategy? Enterprise architecture acts as a bridge between business strategy and IT execution, ensuring that technology and process development support and enhance the organization's strategic objectives. Rules of enterprise architecture in business. Number 1. Aligning IT and business goals. Ensures IT projects support strategic objectives and business goals. Number 2. Decision support. EA helps make informed decisions by showing how business processes, information, and technology are connected. Number 3. Operational efficiency. Identifies and resolves inefficiencies leading to streamlined operations and cost savings. Number 4. Facilitating agility offers a flexible framework for adapting to market and technology changes. Number 5. Supporting innovation enables adoption of new technologies aligned with business objectives. Number 6. Governance establishes policies and standards to ensure IT projects support business objectives and comply with regulations. Number 7. Developing a strategic roadmap creates a roadmap for aligning technology and processes with long-term strategic goals. Number 8. Performance measurements. EA tracks IT performance using key performance indicators, KPIs, to ensure systems align with and support business strategy. Number 9. Risk management. EA identifies risks in technology, data security, and compliance by defining a clear architecture, ensuring the business strategy is aware of potential risks. Enterprise architecture, a foundation for business success. Enterprise architecture is a comprehensive and a strategic approach to designing, implementing, and managing the IT infrastructure of an organization. It encompasses all aspects of an organization IT, including applications, data, infrastructure, and processes. By establishing a clear vision of roadmap for IT, EA enables organizations to align their technology investments with their business goals and objectives. This guide explores the key concepts and framework of enterprise architecture, shedding light on the different approaches and methodologies available to organizations. The Zachman Framework. The foundation, developed by John Zachman in the 1980s, the Zachman Framework is a widely recognized EA framework which provides a structured approach to defining and documenting an organization architecture. It utilizes a matrix with 6 rows representing different perspectives: data, function, network, people, time, motivation, and 6 columns representing different viewpoints: what, how, where, who, when, why. This framework serves as a comprehensive guide for creating a complete and consistent architectural description, ensuring alignment with business needs. The Zuckman framework is characterized by its focus on establishing a shared language and understanding for architectural elements, providing a structured approach to capturing and organizing information about the enterprise, enabling stakeholders to view the architecture from different perspectives, facilitating communication and collaboration among different teams involved in enterprise architecture. Application. The Zuckman framework is applicable across various industries and organizations, from small businesses to large enterprises. It assists in defining the scope and requirements of enterprise architecture, creating clear and concise architectural documentation, aligning IT with business goals and objectives. The complexities of enterprise architecture and initiatives. The TOGAF framework. Phase A: Architecture Vision. The first phase of TOGAF focuses on establishing the vision and scope of the architecture. This involves defining the business context and identifying key stakeholders and outlining the objectives of the architecture. Phase B: Business Architecture. The next phase delves into the business architecture, defining the business capabilities, processes, and organizational structures. It also examines the business strategy and goals, ensuring alignment with the architecture vision. Phase C: Information System Architecture. This phase focuses on designing the information systems that support the business architecture. It involves defining the data, applications, and technology infrastructure required to meet the business needs. Phase D: Technology Architecture. Phase D focuses on the technology infrastructure, including hardware, software, and network components. This phase defines the technical standards and guidelines to ensure robust and secure technology foundation. Phase E: Solutions Architecture. The final phase involves developing and implementing specific solutions based on the architecture defined in the previous phase. This phase ensures the chosen solutions align with the business objectives and meet the technical requirements. The Federal Enterprise Architecture Framework is a structured approach used by U.S. government to organize and manage IT resources effectively. Government-specific focus. FIAF is designed especially for the United States federal government. It addresses the unique challenges and complexities of IT management within government contexts, emphasizing security, compliance, and interoperability. Layered approach. FIAF adopts a layered approach, organizing the architecture into 5 layers: business, data, applications, technology, and security. This structure facilitates a comprehensive understanding of the IT landscape across different levels of data. Standards and best practices. The framework promotes the use of standardized components and best practices within the federal government. This standardization helps ensure interoperability, consistency, and efficiency across different agencies. life cycle management. FIAF emphasizes the importance of life cycle management during a structured and systematic approach to developing, implementing, and maintaining the enterprise architecture. Benefits of implementing of EA approach: improve alignment. Enterprise architecture helps align IT investments with business goals and objectives, ensuring technology serves the strategic needs of the organization. Increase efficiency. Enterprise architecture can streamline IT processes, reduce redundancy, and optimize resource utilization, leading to greater efficiency and cost savings. Enhance decision making. By providing a comprehensive understanding of the IT landscape, EA facilitates better decision making regarding technology investments, projects, and initiatives. Reduce risks. By proactively identifying and mitigating potential risks, EA helps ensure the stability, security, and resilience of the organization's IT infrastructure. Challenges in adopting EA methodologies. Resistance to change. Implementing EA can involve significant changes to existing processes and systems, leading to resistance from stakeholders who may be comfortable with the status quo. Lack of resources. EA initiatives require significant resources, including skilled personnel, time, and budget. The lack of adequate resources can hinder the successful implementation of EA. Complexity of EA frameworks. EA frameworks can be complex and require specialized knowledge to implement effectively. Organizations may face challenges in training staff and adapting the chosen framework. Enterprise architecture, governance, and management written report. Enterprise architecture governance. EA governance refers to the framework, policies, and processes that guide and control how enterprise architecture is developed, maintained, and enforced. It ensures that the EA aligns with business goals and adheres to standards and regulations. Key elements. Governance framework defines the structure, rules, and responsibilities for EA decision making. This may include a governing body like an enterprise architecture board or committee. Standards and policies sets the rules for architecture development, including compliance with industry standards, best practices, and organizational policies. Processes and procedure establishes the processes for EA development, review, and approval. These include methodologies like TOGAF, the Open Group Architecture Framework, Zuckman Framework, or others. Performance measurement implements metrics and KPIs to evaluate the effectiveness of the EA governance and its impact on business performance. Enterprise architecture management. EA management involves the day-to-day administration and oversight of enterprise architecture. It focuses on implementing and maintaining the architecture, ensuring that it evolves in line with organizational changes. Key aspects. Architecture development involves designing and documenting the enterprise architecture based on strategic goals and requirements. Implementation oversees the integration of architecture into business operations, including the deployment of new systems and processes. Change management manage updates and modification to the architecture in response to business needs or technology advancements. Challenges in EA governance. and management resistant to change, overcoming organizational inertia, and getting buy-in from stakeholders can be challenging. Complexity. Managing and governing complex architecture across various domains and technologies requires significant expertise and coordination. Evolving technologies, keeping up with rapid technology advancements, and ensure they are appropriately integrated into the EA. Resource constraints. Limited resources can impact the effectiveness of EA governance and management. And that's all. Thank you.